The Curious Garden. In a bustling city, nestled between towering buildings and concrete sidewalks, there existed a hidden gem, a magical garden. This wasn't an ordinary garden. It was a place where nature intertwined with the urban landscape. One sunny afternoon, Emma, a young girl with an insatiable curiosity, stumbled upon this secret haven. The garden, with its vibrant flowers peeking between the cracks in the pavement, beckoned her. As Emma explored, she noticed something peculiar. The plants seemed to respond to her touch. A delicate fern unfurled its leaves, and a shy flower turned its face towards her, as if in greeting. Captivated by this living oasis, Emma returned daily, watering the plants and tending to their needs. With each passing day, the garden flourished, spreading its green tendrils across the once barren space. Word of the thriving garden reached the people of the city. Soon, neighbors and strangers alike joined Emma in nurturing the greenery. Together, they transformed the once forgotten patch of land into a lush paradise. The garden became a meeting place, a sanctuary where people from all walks of life gathered to share stories and laughter. It became a symbol of unity in the heart of the bustling city. Through this enchanting garden, Emma learned the language of nature and the joy of nurturing life. She realized that even the smallest actions, like planting a seed or offering a kind word, could create a world of difference. As the seasons changed, the garden bloomed, reminding everyone that amidst the chaos of the city, beauty and harmony could thrive.